Stop by and take a look at the 2014 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Harman Kardon sound system, traction control, power tailgate, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.